welcome, Robbers, to another video. Today I'm gonna be playing until lightning strikes me. Okay? I think this is my new awesome idea for YouTube video. And I think it should go viral, hopefully. I think it's gonna be really cool. And hopefully it should last pretty long. And I think it's gonna be awesome, okay? First of all, let's get some wood. And if you like the video, please like and subscribe and get everything. Do all the stuff down there. Do all the great stuff down there so I can get the viral video, okay? And sorry for not uploading for a while. I think I've been really busy. I've been helping out filming videos for Robert. And okay, it's raining. That's okay. That's okay. It should be fine. It should be fine, right? Raining doesn't mean it's gonna be lightning, you know? It doesn't mean anything, right? Maybe the odds are higher, but that's okay. Because I'm gonna make a pickaxe. Pickaxe is gonna be useful because I need to mine a lot. Now, I know this is gonna be a long video because the odds of lightning striking are so low. It might not even happen in my lifetime.